Hello kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn ABCD. Let's start. A. A for apple. A for apple. B. B for ball. B for bat. C. C for cap. C for cat. D. D for dog. D for doll. E. E for egg. E for eggplant. F. F for fish. F for frog. G. G for girl. G for God. H. H for house. H for home. I for ice cream. I for ink pot. J. J for joker. J for jug. K. K for kite. K for king. L. L for lemon. L for lime. M. M for mango. M for monkey. N. N for nose. N for neck. O. O for orange. O for owl. P. P for piano. P for papaya. Q. Q for queen. Q for quilt. R. R for ring. R for red color. S. S for star. S for strawberry. T. T for tomato. T for towel. U. U for uncle. U for unicorn. V. V for village. V for vanilla. W. W for watermelon. W for water. Melon. W for water. X. X for xylophone. X for Christmas. Y. Y for yak. Y for yellow color. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. So kids, what we learned today? We learned A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.